Good evening, students. We'll wait for some more time. இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் ஜாயின் பண்ணட்டும். அது வரைக்கும் ஜஸ்ட் ரிவைஸ் பண்ணிகிட்டே இருங்க. நேற்று நடத்தின 4 லெசன்ஸ்லேருந்து அப்ஜெக்டிவ்ஸ் ஒரு தடவை ரிவைஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு நான் டெஸ்ட் வைக்கிறேன். Yes, students. Hope all of you are ready. ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் ரெடியாக இருக்கீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம ரிவைஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு தென் வில் ஹாவ் அ ஷார்ட் டெஸ்ட். அதுக்கப்புறம் நியூ போர்ஷன்ஸ் போகலாம். ஸோ லெசன் நம்பர் 1லேருந்தே நான் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுறேன். Inertia of a body depends on mass of the object. Impulse is equals to change of momentum. Newton's third law is applicable both A and B. Plotting a graph for momentum on the y-axis and time on x-axis, slope of momentum time graph gives force. In which of the following sport the turning off effect of force is used? Cycling. The unit of G is ms to the power -2. It can also be expressed as n kg to the power -1. 1 kilogram force equals to 98 into 10 to the power 4 dyne. The mass of a body is measured on planet Earth as mkg. When it is taken to a planet of radius half that of the Earth, then its value will be dash kg. The answer is capital M. If the Earth shrinks to 50% of its real radius, its mass remaining the same, the weight of a body on the Earth will increase by 300%. To project the rockets, which of the following principles are required? Both A and C. Okay. So we'll move on to the next lesson. That is the 7th lesson. Which of the following has the smallest mass? One atom of He. Which of the following is a triatomic molecule? Carbon dioxide. The volume occupied by 4.4 grams of CO2 at STP 2.24 liter. Mass of 1 mole of nitrogen atom is 14 g. Which of the following represents 1 AMU, 1 by 12th of the mass of a C12 atom? Sixth question. Which of the following statement is incorrect? 1 mole of hydrogen gas contains Avogadro's number of atoms. The volume occupied by 1 mole of a diatomic gas at STP is 22.4 liter. In the nucleus of Ca2040, there are 20 protons and 20 neutrons. The gram molecular mass of oxygen molecule is 32 g. 1 mole of any substance contains dash molecules. 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. We'll move on to the next lesson. Casparian strips are present in the dash of the root, endodermis. The endar condition is the characteristic feature of stem. The xylem and phloem arranged side on same radius is called conjoint, which is formed during anaerobic respiration, ethyl alcohol. Krebs cycle takes place in mitochondrial matrix. Oxygen is produced at what point during photosynthesis? When H2O is splitted. We'll move on to the next lesson. In leech, locomotion is performed by contraction and relaxation of muscles. The segments of leech are known as metameres. In brackets, they have given somites. Pharyngeal ganglion in leech is a part of nervous system. The brain of leech lies above the pharynx. The body of leech has 33 segments. Mammals are warm-blooded animals. So far we have revised 4 lessons. So as yesterday, today also I am going to show you few questions. You are going to answer them in live chat. புரியுதா? ஸோ நடத்தின இந்த 4 லெசன்லேருந்து சில கொஸ்டின்ஸ் மட்டும் உங்களுக்கு நான் காட்ட போகிறேன். அந்த கொஸ்டின்ஸ்க்கான ஆன்சர்ஸை நீங்கள் வந்து லைவ் சாட்டில் டைப் பண்ணலாம். ஓகே, தென் வீல் மூவ் ஆன் வித் த நியூ லெசன்ஸ். Students, now I want you to answer question number 10. Okay, question, hope it's clear here. Yes, question number 10 ma. To project the rockets, which of the following principles are required? You can type your answers. I'm asking you to answer question number 10. Question number 10 க்கு answer பண்ணுங்கடா. To project the rockets, which of the following principles are required? Yeah, many have answered D, both A and C. Yes, yes, yes. D option, both A and C. Some have answered both A and C. Yes. Okay, da. Many of you have answered it right. Almost all of you have answered it right. Correct option வந்து option D தான். Both A and C. Okay. Next, fifth question answer பண்ணுங்கப்பா. In which of the following sport the turning off effect of force is used? இந்த question da. Fifth question. Cycling. எஸ் வெரி குட் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாருமே கரெக்டாக ஆன்சர் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க சைக்கிளிங். ஏன்னா இது தேர்ட் டே நம்ம ரிவைஸ் பண்ணுறோம். ஸோ உங்களுக்கு நல்லா தரவாயிடுச்சுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின்மா, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் ஈஸி கொஸ்டின். இனர்ஷியா ஆஃப் அ பாடி டிபெண்ட்ஸ் ஆன். இந்த கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர் பண்ணுங்கடா. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின், இனர்ஷியா ஆஃப் த பாடி டிபெண்ட்ஸ் ஆன். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின். Yeah, I can see C, mass of the object, C, mass of the object, mass. Very good students. All of you have answered it right. The answer is mass of the object. Okay, ma'am. Next lesson, a few questions. Yeah, I've shown you lesson number 7. Fourth question, ma'am. Hope it's visible here. Mass of 1 mole of nitrogen atom. Fourth question. Mass of 1 mole of nitrogen atom. Da. Yeah, I can see answer C here. 14G. 28. 14D. Yes, in the question, yes. Yes, ma. இதில் ஒரு 2 பேர் மிஸ்டேக் பண்ணியிருக்கீங்கடா. The right answer வந்து option D, 14G. Some of you have answered it as 28G. 28G wrong answer pa. 14G is the right answer. Okay, ma. Then seventh question. Seventh one. The volume occupied by 1 mole of a diatomic gas at STP. Seventh question. Hope it's clear. The volume occupied by 1 mole. I can see option C, 22.4 liter. 22.4. Very good students. All of you have answered it right. Answer is 22.4 liter. Adle 10th question answer pannungada. 1 mole of any substance contains. 1 mole of any substance contains this question. Judson has answered it as B. Manohar Kavita as A. Random facts A. Darshini option B. That's it, ma. B and A. In the question, few of you have answered it wrong. Okay, yesterday itself I told you. உங்களுக்கு கன்ஃபியூஸ் பண்ணுற மாதிரி தான் 2 ஆப்ஷன் இருக்குது. 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 இருக்கு. 6.023 into 10 to the power minus 23 இருக்கு. Yesterday itself I told you the answer is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Option A is the right answer, ma. B எழுதுனவங்க ரெக்டிஃபை பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஆப்ஷன் A 10 to the power 23 தான் ரைட் ஆன்சர். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் லெசன் போயிடலாம். Yeah, this lesson here. இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா I want you to answer the first question, ma. Casparian strips are present in the dash of the root. Casparian strips are present in the dash of the root. I can see the answer as D. Madhumita, endodermis. Darshini has written as endodermis. Yes, students, very good. எல்லாருமே correct answer கொடுத்திருக்கீங்க. The answer is endodermis. Okay. The third question, ma. The xylem and phloem are arranged side by side on the same radius. It is called. Third question, da. Third question, yeah, I can see option C. Stem இல்லையே இதில். Third question, da. The xylem and phloem arranged side by side on the same radius. I can see option D, conjoint. Ma, the right answer is conjoint. Option C தான் ma right answer. Few of you have written it wrong. So, இப்போ rectify பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Answer வந்து conjoint. One more question here. Fifth question. Krebs cycle takes place in. This question, ma. Fifth one. Krebs cycle takes place in. Krebs cycle takes place in. Yes, students, very good. Yes, the answer is mitochondrial matrix. Okay. Last lesson போயிடலாம். Yeah, I'm showing you here. இதில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா you can answer the third question. This question. Pharyngeal ganglion in leech is a part of. Third question, da. Pharyngeal ganglion. Pharyngeal ganglion in leech is a part of. Yes, you can type your answers, ma'am. I can see option A, B, nervous system, B. Yes, students, many have answered it right. The answer is nervous system, option B. And the last question, ma, the body of leech has. I'm asking you the fifth question. Fifth question answer pannungada. The body of leech has. You have to mention the number of segments. The body of leech has. I can see options B. $33 segments, B, 33 segments. Yes, all of you have answered it right. The answer is option B, 33 segments. Very good, students. Very good. I think 4 lessons நீங்கள் நல்லா தரவாயிட்டீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஸோ எந்த கொஸ்டின் கேட்டாலும் ஆல்மோஸ்ட் 90% ஆஃப் த ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து கரெக்டாக ஆன்சர் பண்ணுறீங்க. 1 or 2 தான் ஒரு சில மிஸ்டேக்ஸ் பண்ணுறீங்க. பட் வென் வி கீப் ஆன் ப்ராக்டிஸிங் எவ்ரி டே நம்ம கேட்டுக்கிட்டே இருந்தோம்னா நீங்களும் அந்த மிஸ்டேக்ஸ்லேருந்து வெளியில் வந்துடலாம். நீங்களும் நல்லா தரவாயிடுவீங்க. சரியா? ஸோ இப்போ நம்ம நெக்ஸ்ட் லெசன் போயிடலாம். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் லெசன் வாட் வி ஆர் கோயிங் டு டீல் வித் இஸ் லெசன் நம்பர் 2 எடுத்துக்கலாம்டா. ஆப்டிக்ஸ் லெசன் இன் யோர் டெக்ஸ்ட் புக்ஸ் கேன் டேக் டு பேஜ் நம்பர் 29 மா. Take your textbooks, page number 29. Yes, shall we mark the answers first? Then we'll learn. Okay, ma'am. So I've take to page number 29, physics second lesson. Da. The name of the lesson is optics. Fine. So we'll mark the answer. First question, the refractive index of 4 substances, capital A, capital B, capital C and D are 1.31, 1.43, 1.33, 2.4 respectively. The speed of light is maximum in option A is the answer. Ma. Option A, and the answer is capital A. Next, where should an object be placed so that a real and inverted image of the same size is obtained by a convex lens? Okay, for this the answer is option B, 2F. 2F. Okay. Third question. A small bulb is placed at the principal focus of a convex lens. When the bulb is switched on, the lens will produce. Option C. A parallel beam of light. A parallel beam of light. Fourth question. Magnification of a convex lens is either positive or negative. Option C is the right answer. Either positive or negative. Fifth question. A convex lens forms a real diminished point sized image at focus. Then the position of the object is at. For this, the answer is option B, infinity. Option B, infinity. Sixth question. Power of a lens is minus 4D. Then its focal length is option C, minus 0.25 m. Minus 0.25 m. Seventh question. In a myopic eye, the image of the object is formed. Option C. In front of the retina. Eighth question. The eye defect presbyopia can be corrected by. Option D is the answer. Bifocal lenses. Ninth question. Hope it's seen clearly. Which of the following lens would you prefer to use while reading small letters found in a dictionary? Option A is the right answer. A convex lens of focal length 5 centimeter. 10th question. If VB, VG, VR be the velocity of blue, green and red light respectively in a glass prism, then which of the following statement gives the correct relation? Option C. Okay, option C. So just we'll revise with the answers here once again. For this, first one, option A, and the answer is A. Second one, option B, answer is 2F. Third one, option C, a parallel beam of light. Fourth one, option C, either positive or negative. Fifth one, option B, infinity. Sixth one, option C, 0.25 m. Seventh one, option C, in front of the retina. Eighth one, option D, bifocal lenses. Ninth one, option A, a convex lens of focal length 5 centimeter. And 10th one, option C. VB is less than VG is less than VR. Fine. I'll give you a few minutes time. You just write the question number and the answer alone once and practice. I'll give you 2 minutes time. Yes, students, we'll move on to the next lesson in chemistry. Okay, lesson number 8. Turn your textbooks to page number 121. Yes, now we'll mark the answers, ma. The number of periods and groups in the periodic table are option D 7, 18. Option D 7, 18. Second question, the basis of modern periodic law is option A atomic number. Atomic number. Third one, dash group contains the member of halogen family. Option A, 17th. Option A, 17th. Dash is a relative periodic property. Option D, electronegativity. Electronegativity. Fifth question, chemical formula of rust is option C. Fe2O3 dot XH2O. Sixth question. In the aluminothermic process, the role of Al is option B, reducing agent. Seventh question. The process of coating the surface of a metal with a thin layer of zinc is called galvanization. Galvanization. Okay. Eighth question. Which of the following has inert gas? Following have inert gases, two electrons in the outermost shell. I repeat, which of the following have inert gases, two electrons in the outermost shell? Option A, He. Ninth question, neon shows zero electron affinity due to option B, stable configuration of electrons. And the last question, dash is an important metal to form amalgam. The answer is option B, Hg. I'll just repeat the answers alone, ma. For the first one, the answer is option D 7, 18. Second one, option A atomic number. Third one, option A 17th. Fourth one, option D electronegativity. Fifth one, option C Fe2O3 dot XH2O. Sixth one, option B reducing agent. Seventh one, option C, galvanization. Eighth one, option A, He. Ninth one, option B, stable configuration of electrons. And the 10th one, option B, Hg. Students, I'll give you 2 minutes time. You just write the question number and the answer alone and practice. எழுதிட்டீங்களா? சரி, we'll move on with the test, ma. Okay. Yes. So 10 questions may answer பண்ண ட்ரை பண்றீங்களா? First question க்கு answer ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க live chatல. The refractive index of four substances capital A B C D. You can type your answers ma. First question. First question in lesson 2. Yes, very good, very good. Good. You have learnt along with me. Answer vandu yes, A is the answer. Very good. Second one, where should an object be placed? This question. Second question. Where should an object be placed so that a real and inverted image of the same size is obtained by a convex lens? Second question. 2F. Yes, good, good. Third question. A small bulb is placed at the principal focus of a convex lens. When the bulb is switched on, the lens will produce. I'm asking question number 3, ma. Yes. Option C, I can see option C. Is it clear? Very good, students. Parallel beam of light is the right answer. Fourth question. Magnification of a convex lens is. Fourth question. Magnification of a convex lens is. Yeah, I can see option C, either positive or negative. Parallel beam of light. Which one? Yeah, I'm asking the answer for question number 4. Very good, students. Either positive or negative. Option C is the right answer, ma. Fifth question. A convex lens forms a real diminished point-sized image at focus. Then the position of the object is at. Yeah, for question number 5, answer. Yes, yes, yes. Many have answered. Very good. Very good. Yeah, many have answered it right. And the answer is option B, infinity. Okay. Sixth one. Power of a lens is minus 4D. Then its focal length is. Answer for question number 6. Yeah, I can see the answer as B or yeah, minus 0.25 m. Yes, very good, students. The answer is option C, minus 0.25 m. Seventh question. In a myopic eye, the image of the object is formed. Question number 7. In a myopic eye, the image of the object is formed. Yes, Madhumita has answered in front of the retina. Diya also has said the same answer. Logeshwari has given us C, C, C. Very good, students. It is option C, in front of the retina. Yes, 8th question, ma. The eye defect presbyopia can be corrected by. I want you to answer to question number 8. The eye defect presbyopia can be corrected by. Yeah, I can see bifocal lenses. Option T, bifocal lens. D. Very good, students. Yes, all of you have answered it right. It is option D. Okay, bifocal lenses. Ninth question. Which of the following lens would you prefer to use while reading small letters found in the dictionary? You just type the option alone, da. Just type the option alone for the ninth question. Either A, B, C, or D. A. Good. The answer is option A, a convex lens of focal length 5 centimeter. And the last question, if VB, VG, VR be the velocity of blue, green and red light respectively in a glass prism, then which of the following statement gives the correct relation? Yes, Shanti has answered, Logeshwari has answered. You can type the option alone, da. Darshini has answered. Diya has answered. Anita Jiva has answered. Ashifa has answered. Very good. All of you have answered it right. And the answer is option C. Fine. We'll move on to the next lesson. I'm sure. Question number 1. The number of periods and groups in the periodic table are. Lesson 8, question number 1, ma. You can also open your textbooks if you want. The number of periods and groups in the periodic table are. Madhumita has answered. Yes, Darshini, Random Facts has answered. Yes, the right answer is option D, 7, 18. Second question, the basis of modern periodic law is. Answer for the second question, ma. The basis of modern periodic law is. Yeah, many have answered. Yes, very good. Option A, atomic number is the right answer. Very good. Third question, dash group contains the member of halogen family. Third question, you can answer to the third question. Dash group contains the member of halogen family. 17th. Yeah, many are answering it as 17th. Yes, the right answer is 17th. It is option A. Moving on to the fourth question. Dash is a relative periodic property. Relative periodic property. Fourth question. Relative periodic property. Fourth question, ma. Darshini has answered. Loheshwari also has answered. What about others? Yes, option D, electronegativity. And that is the right answer. Option D, electronegativity. Fifth question. Chemical formula of rust is. Fifth question. Chemical formula of rust is. You can type the options alone, ma. Can either type A, B, C or D. Fifth one. Yes, students, you have answered it right. It is option C, Fe2O3.xH2O. Sixth question, in the aluminothermic process, the role of Al is. in the aluminothermic process, the role of Al is? Yes, Madhumita has answered. Darshini, Ashifa. Yes, very good students. All of you have answered it right. The answer is option B, reducing agent. Moving on to the seventh question. The process of coating the surface of metal with a thin layer of zinc is called. The process of coating the surface of a metal with a thin layer of zinc is called. You can type the options alone, ma. Yes. Option C, galvanization. Yes, it is the right answer. Option C, galvanization. Eighth question. Which of the following have inert gases 2 electrons in the outermost shell? Question number 8. He. I can see Logeshwari answering as He. Random facts as He. Madhumita, Darshini. Yes, all of you have answered it right, and the answer is He, option A. Ninth question, ma. Neon shows zero electron affinity due to. Ninth question. Neon shows zero electron affinity due to. You can type your answers. Question number 9. You can just type the answers alone. Very good. All of you have answered it right. And the answer is option B, stable configuration of electrons. And the last question, dash is an important metal to form an amalgam. Dash is an important metal to form an amalgam. Very good, students. All of you have answered it right, and the answer is Hg. Can anyone tell me the full form of Hg? Hg is the symbol of which element, ma? Anyone knows? If you know, you can type your answers. Anyone knows? No one knows? Hg. Hg is the symbol of which element? The answer is mercury. Okay, fine, students. Very good. All of you participated well. So far we have revised with 6 lessons. So tomorrow be prepared for the test. The 6 lessons choose the correct answers. Nalla thorough பண்ணிட்டு வாங்க. Tomorrow again we'll have a test. Then we'll move on with the new lessons. Every day you have to practice one word, ma. Because question paper 12 marks உங்களுக்கு choose the best answer வருது. ஸோ நீங்கள் ஃபிங்கர் டிப்ஸில் இருந்தால் தான் அந்த 12 மார்க்ஸும் நமக்கும் கிடைக்கும். ஓகேவா? தேங்க்யூ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் யோர் பார்ட்டிசிபேஷன். பாய்.